Your landing page is the first impression that your users will have of your startup. It is where they land when they come from various sources like Instagram, Twitter, or blog. This page can make or break your startup. Now imagine this, a landing page so captivating that users can't help but smash that sign up button. So, first, let me introduce you to a new feature that we just launched in GPTrush. We have built a simple drag and drop UI which we will be using today to build our landing page. You can also customize the component using the inspector tab on the right. It also comes with the continue with AI feature where you could add animations or make it responsive by chatting with the AI. And we also have the live preview here. Let's take a look at my current landing page. The hero section is solid, but the feature section is pretty basic and doesn't clearly communicate the unique features we offer. So let's redesign the feature section using the drag and drop UI builder to make it more detailed and compelling. So let's start designing our UI. And in GPTrush, apart from these basic components, we have also introduced a library of custom components where you have a couple of hero sections, feature sections, headers, footers, and all those components that is readily available for you to drag and drop and start building your UI. So let's use this hero component for our landing page. And now let's start customizing it. And as soon as you click any of the boxes, you should see its corresponding inspector menu on the right. So let's first add a gradient background actually. So let's use this. So you need two colors for the gradient. So let's add another color. And we'll make the gradient to be top to bottom. And now let's remove this background property from the nav bar, as we already have a background for the whole element. And we have a hero section that is starting to look like our initial landing page. Now let's try to add a gradient border to our button. So for that, let's go to the basic section and bring the flex component here. Now it looks tiny, but we just have to drop the button inside the flex. And now we could see that the button is contained inside the flex. Now let's add a rounded edge by adding a custom property. So for design system, we are using ChakraUI. So you can go ahead and look up to the documentation if you want to add any custom properties, or you could anyway use AI, continue with AI and add any modifications required. Now we just have to fill this flex with the gradient color. Let's go ahead and add the first color. So yeah, we have a gradient border right now. But one thing to note here is this border might be looking a little bit thicker, and there might be few more places where you could see there are a lot of padding than what you have given in the inspector. That is because we are right now in the builder mode, and which adds some extra padding slash borders to the elements. If you toggle this off, now we could see this UI, which is as we have designed. Now let's add a video to our landing page, and for that we already have a custom component for it. Let's grab that and drop it here. Now let's add some spacing to this. Yeah, we have a video added to our landing page. Now let's change this video here. So for that, you just have to click on this video and then go to the file upload section and then choose the video file that you need. So let's go ahead and upload it. Yeah, our product demo is now embedded in our landing page. So now let's add some feature section to our landing page, which also we'll use the custom components that is there in our library. So let's drag and drop it here. Let's add a couple more. So now let's change the content of these feature tabs. I have already created the content for it, so let's just change those things. Yeah, we have added the content to our landing page. Now let's change the image of our feature section. So again, we go to the file upload functionality and upload our images. And now let's change this. Yeah. And now let's, for the final part, let's add a footer section. So yeah, let's see if we need some touch up on any places. So I just feel this is the white background is little bit plain for a landing page. So let's spice this up again by adding few gradient background colors. So let's similarly add a gradient color here too. Yeah, and for the final part, again a gradient color. So yeah, we have created the landing page. So let's see our landing page in full screen now. So we have a hero section with the product demo video embedded in it, and we have a feature section also with multiple feature sections. So we could add few more sections to our landing page to make it more engaging, but this is already running long, so I'm wrapping it up for today. Thanks a lot for watching the video till the end. Do check out GPTrush.io, an AI vision powered platform where you could build your dream websites in minutes. And do subscribe to our channel for more startup updates. And to discuss more, feel free to join our Discord server. Link is in the description below.